Today we're going to take a look at the Fairstead bamboo ball pen. It's a really nice bamboo promotional pen at quite a low cost. It has a nice sort of silver trim, silver clip area. In terms of the branding, it's laser engraved onto the barrel with a larger than most branding area, and that's mainly due to the thickness of the barrel being thicker than most promotional pens. The pen itself writes in black ink and has a click action motion to the pen. So this pen is very popular because it has a minimum order quantity of just 5 personalised pens. It means you can order just 5 of these pens laser engraved with your custom design. What's really important to note with bamboo pens when we're laser engraving is that due to the grain of the wood, these are obviously a natural product, and so one bamboo pen will have a slightly different grain and a slightly different finish. As wood is a completely natural product, it's impossible to manufacture every single pen to look identical. They look fairly similar, but when you hold 4 different examples like we have here up against each other, you will notice that slight variation in the grain of the wood. And subsequently what this means is that actually when we engrave a batch of pens, there will be differences and slight imperfections in the design each time. And that again is because when we're engraving the product, it's impossible to know the grain of wood and the feature underneath the bamboo. And so different designs can look slightly different, some a little bit lighter, some a little bit darker, all within the same batch. And that's ultimately because it is not a man-made product in terms of the material like we would be if we were engraving into stainless steel, for example. And so it's very important to be aware of that, in that when you're giving these away, one customer that you would hand one of these pens out may have a slightly different finish or appeared finish to that of the other person, mainly because of the grain of the natural bamboo.